Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So, I had 2 interviews scheduled for today. Well, 1 interview and 1 fitness workshop. So, the fitness workshop I had to cancel. So, I'd already bought a whole bunch of sweet potatoes and they were all cut up and ready to go. But then I discovered that I couldn't do the workshop today. So, today we're gonna show you one of my go-to cooked food meals that I like to serve to guests that I know is gonna be well received because it's very tasty. This is how I used to eat back in the day. So let's jump on over to the oven and show you what we're doing. What I did was I made sweet potato coins, right? So I just chopped up the sweet potato into little coins just for extra indulgence. I've got a guacamole as well. So the idea is that we spread the guacamole on top of these little sweet potato coins, and then you just eat them like a little bite-sized treat or dinner, I guess. Very, very, very tasty. This is sure to go down well. So for those of you who like sweet potatoes and starches in your lifestyle, then this is a solid option because it's very minimal ingredients. It's just sweet potatoes, whatever seasonings you like. Now, some people might think, oh, Eli, how are you preparing all of that? How are you smelling the smells? How are you doing any of that without any temptation to eat it? And a lot of people will not believe me if I say, no, I didn't eat any of it. I just gave it all away. For sure, this guy is having a whole bunch of that with his guests. No, it's a completely different system. It's a completely reformed, reconfigured system that I'm running. And yeah, sometimes it surprises me. I mean, I'm preparing the stuff, I'm seeing it, I'm smelling it, but there is no hint of any type of motivation to eat it. And I think that is one of the wonderful things that is very difficult for people to understand, is that I can create these things and not be in any danger of indulging because I've dealt with it. My body's gone through the fire. It's dealt with all of that. It's all out of my system. So now I can happily and joyfully just give with no feeling of deprivation. It's wonderful. It's really a wonderful thing. So I'm going to be very happily surrendering all of that and not touching it.